Hey everybody, John Peterson here, and today I have a special surprise for you. I just got back recently from eastern Greenland, and I had the opportunity to sail aboard a wooden sailing ship that was built back in the 1950s, and we sailed through Scoresby Sound in eastern Greenland. It's a large fjord system. And I spent 8 days on the boat photographing icebergs, wildlife, polar bears, muskox, that kind of stuff. Incredible landscape like you've never seen before. It is just unbelievably incredible. It was an incredible trip for me, and I'm starting to share a little bit of the images and video that I took on that trip. And for today, I wanted to take you to a particular place in the Scoresby Fjord system, and it's called Red Island. And Red Island is fairly unique because it is a small island on the eastern side of Road Fjord, and the fjord bottom shallows up enough, and this island acts as a constriction, so all the icebergs floating down the fjord are grounded on the bottom or trapped because of the island. And this creates this cluster of icebergs that many people refer to as Iceberg City. And I was able to spend a couple of visits into Iceberg City. We took Zodiacs in the first time, and then we hiked up to the top of Red Island and flew our drones through and around all of the amazing icebergs. So in this video, I wanted to show you a little bit about what I saw on Red Island. So here we go. After our Zodiac rides through Iceberg City the night before, in the morning our plan was to hike up to the top of Red Island to get a different vantage point of Iceberg City. Before we started our climb, we did visit a portion of Red Island and saw the incredible columnar basalt that was veined through the rocks. We visited this arch in the rock and actually took the Zodiacs through it and really got to explore and feel a little bit of what makes Red Island unique. before we landed our Zodiacs and climbed the hill for an overview of Iceberg City. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little visit to Iceberg City alongside of Red Island. If you have any questions about this experience, please feel free to drop a note down below. If you'd like to support my channel, definitely subscribe, tickle the bell, do all that kind of good stuff. If you want to support my channel even further, I do have a Patreon account, which you'll see down in the description. Otherwise, stay tuned for more videos from this experience, as I'm just so excited to be able to share what I saw and what I felt during this amazing trip through Scoresby Sound.